You're watching how to add a document to your iPhone or iPad home screen. This is done using the Shortcuts app. First, ensure the document is saved in your Files app. Open the Shortcuts app pre-installed on your device. Tap the plus icon in the top right to create a new shortcut. Tap Add Action in the search bar. Type Open File and select the Open File action from the list. Now tap the blue word File in the action box. This will open your Files browser. Navigate to and select the specific document you want to add to your home screen. Once selected, tap Done in the top right. Now you need to name your shortcut. Tap Next at the top. Give your shortcut a clear name like Open PDF Report. Then tap Done. The shortcut is now saved in your library. To add it to your home screen, go to the My Shortcuts tab. Find your new shortcut and tap the three dots on its icon. In the shortcut settings, tap the share icon, a square with an arrow. Scroll down and select Add to Home Screen. A preview will appear. You can tap the icon to choose a custom image. Tap Add in the top right. The shortcut icon will now appear on your home screen. Tapping it will directly open your selected document in its default app. For more simple computer tutorials, subscribe to the channel.